here we go, the very sleek Microsoft Surface Arc mouse and Logitech's MX Master 3S for Mac. I'd mention right away, this isn't just for Mac. You can use it with any computer and with your mobile phones as well. You connect it via Bluetooth and then use it on your phone. You should try it out. It's very fun. My comparison is going to be on battery life, price, overall looks, ergonomics, portability, and functionality. So very well, I'll start right away with looks, overall looks, which is subjective. So I'd have you look at it yourself and then make your own decision. So here we go. This is a behemoth of a mouse, but then trust me, it makes up for its size with its functionality. Trust me on that, especially if you're going to be using it for work. This right here is a button that allows you to toggle between windows on your computer, between this window and then that window. Say you're working and you have to work between two windows. It's very good, and I'll talk more about it when we get to functionality. So then here we go. Beautiful space gray color, as is this, and then my Microsoft Surface Pen matches my set as well. Beautiful color, futuristic spaceship sort of look, design. And over here we have this sort of desert sun sort of look. It looks beautiful, wouldn't lie to you. This is underneath, looks beautiful. Able to toggle between three. Right over here, charging port, which comes with a cable that you're able to use other devices, which is very convenient. This right here uses a battery. I'd like to mention this is not a charging port, this is only a light indicator for when it's on. There you go, sleek. And then what we all came for, boom, the arc. There we go, the light indicator. Beautiful, sleek, there's no question to it. Now right away I'll talk about price. Now price, this knocks out the competition, there's no argument with that. This is just a lot more expensive than this is, but then again it makes up for it with its functionality. This is also really good too. So then there we go, that is it with price. And now onto portability. Which of them is easy to carry around? I mean, it's easy to say. This right here is so sleek. You can put it in your pocket, you can put it in your book, which is safe because once you open up the arc and then it comes straight, it means it is off, on, off. So there we go. I can't ever get used to it. But you can't turn it this way though, just this way. So there you go. This is a lot easier to carry around. So yes, that is with portability. This isn't as much. I mean, it's huge. I call it the behemoth, the arc, and the behemoth. So right on to functionality. Now when it comes to functionality, there's no competition. This right here, I mean, horizontal and vertical toggle, right here and right here, endless toggle spin. It keeps going till you stop it, which is crazy. It makes no sound, barely any sound. So is this as well, but then this is a little louder than this. You can toggle between endless spin and then control spin with this button. Toggle between windows, especially if you have to work with, say, maybe a web page and then an internet page, and you have to toggle between them, or you can partition them on your computer. I mean, over here, use it between or among 3 devices, up to 3 devices over here. I mean, there is no competition here. The functionality with this is crazy. Whoever designed it, kudos to them. Whoever came up with this design and being able to put all these features in the mouse, kudos to them. Now onto battery life. And when it comes to battery life, this, as I've already mentioned, comes with a cable that you can connect over here, which is very convenient because you get an extra Type-C to Type-C cable that you can use. with other devices, to charge other devices. Right over here, you use batteries in. So over here, in here, two AAA batteries, which is very convenient because as soon as you run out of battery life, you just put in some batteries. You don't have to plug it in and then wait over there while it charges. But then this on the other, this over here would last you up to 70 days on a full charge, and then on a 3-minute charge, it's just 3 minutes, you can use it up to 1 hour, 1 full hour. So it's not an inconvenience anyways. Once you charge it, you'll be good to go. I'll show you another option, a much cheaper option. Volcano's mouse. Volcano's mouse looks very similar to this in design. Uses batteries as well. Uses one large battery. You can switch between the DPIs. You can switch between pages. It's also pretty good if you can afford any of these. I recommend this. It comes with its keyboard and it's cheaper than both of them. So there you go. You can make the decision for yourself. I used to use this, and then I'll still use it. When I have to use it outside or go somewhere, maybe work in a cafe, I'll still use this. But then when it comes to my main work, I'll be using this. The functionality, it makes work 100 times easier. Literally, really, it does. Thank you very much again for watching. All the best to you. I wish you the very best so you can earn more and buy all the truck mounts you need. All the mounts you need.